you can ultimately really kind of spice these things up. Let me go back to my program here that just is using the speech bubble at the moment. Scratch, as an aside, has some pretty fancy interactive features too. I click the extensions button in the bottom left corner. And let me go ahead and choose the text-to-speech extension. This is using a cloud service. So if you have an internet connection, it can actually talk to the cloud or a third-party service. And this one's going to give me a few new green puzzle pieces, namely the ability to speak something from my speakers instead of just saying it textually. So let me go ahead and drag this. And now notice I don't have to interlock them if I'm just kind of playing around and I want to move some things around. I just want to use this as like a canvas temporarily. Let me go ahead and steal the join from here, put it there. Let me throw away the say block by just moving it left and letting go. And now let me join this in. So I've now changed my program to be a little more interesting. So now let me stop the old version. Let me start the new. What's your name? Type in David, and voila.
Hello, banana.
OK, -2.